Hello, dog. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. Anyway, so guys, in this video, I will be putting these on so play fit. So, pretty boring video. I've already done the unboxing, but that was in another video, and you would have wondered why it randomly suddenly stopped, because storage space ran out, so let's turn it around, so that's the thin buttons. There you go, guys. They're pretty good. So, let's have a walk around. Feel really good too, so yeah, I like them. So, got to say big thanks to Mummy. Thanks, Mummy. Say hello to the camera.
That's quite alright, little man.
That's my mum. This is my dog. What are you doing? Oh my god, she so blends into the sofa. But you can see her news. Yep. Yes, I will be doing another video of me walking the dog today. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video and subscribe. It's me, Rock and Roll. I'm out.